In Python, there are many utilities are given for the strings. So we are mentioning few here. First, we are taking what's equal to test strings here. Then we are trying to print the length. Okay, the length is given from the starting character to the end of the character. Even space is also included. Then we are trying to convert the given words into the uppercase. So when we try to do words dot upper, like it is calling that function through this object, and then it is calling, and the output is converted to the uppercase words, and that is being stored here. So uppercase words are whatever the test strings are here in a lowercase, so that one is converted to the uppercase. And then the same thing we are again converting to the lowercase. So whatever the uppercase words is, then that is a string object that is calling the lower function, then it's trying to convert it to back to the test strings here. So we are splitting the words based on the spaces here. Split words based on the space. You can use something else also for this purpose. If you want to divide the or split the words based on some other rule, that also can be adapted. After that, we are sorting the words. So once this sorted, like whatever the test strings are being sorted into, like based on their object, right? Like the alphabet H S T. So like that it is sorted. Okay, based on the alphabetical order. And then from that, whatever the first word coming, no, the first word in this original split words, right? In the split words we are giving is a pop 0. That pop 0 is giving the, so it is a list, right? 0 1 2, like that. This list is coming as a pointer object or index object, so that one can be picked up from the pop 0. Pop is another function from the string objects. Okay, these are the very basic string utilities.